So hello everyone, you all are welcome to my new video of chapter 1 of science, matter and our surrounding. So this is the part 3 and now let's start from the topic evaporation. So what is evaporation? The change of liquid into vapors without reaching its boiling point is called evaporation. So it is saying, so first this is change. So it is saying that when liquids convert into vapor without reaching its boiling point is called evaporation. And what is boiling point? The point when the liquid starts converting into gas is called the boiling point. So the factors which are affecting the evaporation are temperature, pressure, surface area, humidity in air and wind speed. Now let's understand them. So first is temperature. So what is temperature? On increase in temperature, rate of evaporation increases. When the temperature increases, the rate of evaporation increases. In pressure, on increase in pressure, rate of evaporation decrease. Surface area, on increase in surface area, rate of evaporation increase. Humidity in air, on increase in humidity rate of evaporation, then the evaporation decreases. Wind speed, on increase in wind speed, rate of evaporation increases. So now let's come to the next page. So the next topic is evaporation in our daily life. So first, evaporation of water from the sea. That you all know that water evaporates from the sea, and it is in the ground and other places. Like you can see in the our roof, our house roof, and sea too. So B point is evaporation of sweat from the body. Like the Hindi meaning of sweat is pasina. C is wet clothes on the laundry line and dried up because of evaporation only. When they are heated from the sun, and then they start evaporating. So our D is separation of salt from the sea. It is also evaporation in our daily life. And now other topic is cooling caused by evaporation. Whenever evaporation occurs, liquid is water, take latent heat to evaporate from the body in the contact and causes cooling effect. So this was the cooling caused by evaporation. Now our next topic is diffusion. So what is diffusion? The intermixing of particle due to movement of particles from high concentration is called diffusion. Like the intermixing of particles due to movement of particles is called diffusion. This is the simple definition. Now let's understand their types. First, diffusion in gases. So it is saying that diffusion in gases is the fastest as particles moves with the maximum kinetic energy. For example, smell of incense stick reaches us, or intermixed in the whole room due to diffusion of particle of increase in stick into the room. So this is diffusion of gases. Now let's come to the next. So our third is diffusion in liquids. So it is saying that diffusion in liquids is slower as compared gases of particles move with the lower kinetic energy. In this, the kinetic energy is slower than the gases because there are less particles than, I mean, there are more particles than the gases. That's why they are not moving so fast. That's why they are slow. So our third is diffusion in solids. So in this, diffusion in solids is maximum as particles move negligibly. Means it is saying that there are so many particles and there is minimum kinetic energy in diffusion in solids. So that was the chapter 1 of science. Now we will meet in the second chapter. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.